Okay, we just got us a new Echo Spot, and we are going to try this out to see how it works and the different things you could do with it. I know one of the things you could do is video calling. So with video calling, someone could call you, and without a cell phone, you can receive the phone call and receive a video. And we'll try that function right now. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, fine. How are you?
Let me get myself in the camera here. Okay. So I can see you, you can see me, and we are communicating.
We can see we.
Yeah, we are communicating through her cell phone and this Echo Spot. So,
Cool.
okay. Alexa, hide camera. Oh, Alexa, in call. Okay, there's the right command. Alexa, what is the weather?
Currently, in Katy it's 93 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight, you can expect mostly clear skies, with a low of 73 degrees.
Alexa, put Ecobee downstairs at 68 degrees.
The AC is set to 68.
Alexa, what is the temperature on the Ecobee upstairs?
The Ecobee upstairs temperature is 71 degrees.
Alexa, show Ring front door.
Okay.
With this, I can access my Ring doorbell camera and see who's at my door without having to open up an app. And I can actually communicate with somebody if they're at the front door as well. Alexa, hide camera. Alexa, show Ring backyard.
Okay.
So with this, I'll be able to see the camera in the backyard, usually just to watch my dogs. And from that, I can see that. You can actually even zoom in if you wanted to. Alexa, hide camera. And it's even cool if you just want to hear some music. Alexa, play some cool jazz music.
Here's a station for cool jazz music. Cool Jazz from Amazon Music.
Alexa, play some modern hip-hop music.
Playing modern hip-hop music.
Feel cool on that.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what is my flash brief?
Here's your flash briefing.
With this, it'll give
From
me
Business Insider.
my news updates on websites that I subscribe to.
It's Tuesday, July 24th. From Business Insider, here are the 10 things you need to know today in tech. Google's parent company Alphabet brought in more revenue this quarter than Wall Street analysts expected. The company delivered strong growth despite a hefty $5 billion fine from European regulators. Impossible Foods, a Silicon Valley startup that makes a plant-based burger,
Alexa,
cleared a
stop. And you pretty much get the point. Anyway, we love this thing. We're still learning about it. And might be something you want to check out.